Hello friends, welcome to Hana Home Decor. I hope you're in good health and enjoying my content. So if you're liking it, please like my video. Today's video is about bedroom closets and cabinets. When it comes to designing a new home, the most important thing is your storage cabinets or closets which you are going to make in your rooms, especially the bedrooms. There are some specific rules which are fixed when it comes to designing, that you have to design the size and area of your closets according to your belongings and inventory. How much space you require for hanging your clothes, how much you requires for drawers and shelves. So you need to write up the space, you have to calculate this, and after calculating these things, definitely you will be effectively armed with a strategy to organize your closet. You will have to prefer a larger space for dresses or longer hanging. Hang section should be designed first and should have more space, and then the adjacent drawers and shelves should be organized surrounding them. After deciding the whole space, you should double the hang space so you can maximize your vertical storage space, which is for average women. In length, it is 18 inches to 14 inches. Then you have to secure your space for folding shirts and sweaters, pants, or whatever garments you need. You can keep them in drawers or in shelves. If you're short of space, then another idea of managing your space is separating the seasonal clothes and only keeping the seasonal clothes which you require in the closet or cupboard, and keeping the other clothes in some storage space, baskets, bins, or your suitcases. This will be easy for you to organize, and definitely you will be free to choose your seasonal shoes, and it will require less effort to organize and arrange the things, and lesser space too. Definitely it's easy for 2 to 3 persons maintaining one cabinet closet if you are following this seasonal changes rule. Men's clothing require lesser space because they are shorter in length, like their shirts and pants can be hanged, but women clothing requires more long hangers area. So this should be kept in mind. And when designing your closets, there should be an extra shoe storage. So, a flat shelf for storing your shoes is a good idea, and it will definitely be functional too. Fr- Freedom real kind of closet is also something amazing. With that, you can add new components to your closet you like. So there is a free online design tool which you can use to create your own freedom rail closet. You can customize it, or there are some locally organized dealers, living dealers who can provide you these services. Mhm. The most functional wardrobes are those which are designed according to the number of inventory and according to the belongings that you have to keep in your wardrobe. Gauging and calculating all these points prior to designing give you best results when using them. They provide you the space you need. Without calculating and organizing, you can end up in a troubling situation where you are short of space. So your bedroom wardrobe is a thing that demands organization and basic planning. Many drawers and storage cabinets can be added to the top of your closet. Space can be equally distributed between shelves and drawers, but hanging corner will definitely take a larger space. If you like the content and if it is useful to you, please support our channel and please give it a please give this video a thumbs up, support my channel, and please watch my video till end. Your support is crucial for us growth. If you want to watch something special, please write in comment section and we will upload the content which you will like. Please write in comment section from which part of the country you are watching us. So we can produce more productive content for you, which will be more useful for you. Thank you so very much for staying with us, enjoying the content, and supporting us. Once again, we need your support. Please subscribe the video and like the content. Thank you for watching.